It's another morning here in my residential garden, and you can see right there, that's a ripe banana. That's literally a banana that's ready to be cut down. Yes, so that's what we're about to do right now. So let's go. The banana here, ready for ripe. Will already start ripening on the tree. So you know what this means? Straight from the garden, fresh. So the tree is done right now. I have more coming up. So definitely won't be short of banana. So back in the garden again. And now I have my cauliflower here, which is ready to harvest. And we're gonna do that right about now. Yeah, man, so you can see the head actually start to separate a bit, you know, so you're gonna harvest it right now. Yeah, man, so this is what it looks like, my very first harvest of cauliflower. And we have a big one here. Yeah, man, and more popping through as well. These are all cauliflower, you can see down there. One cauliflower there. And here we have the Australian most feared bird, the magpie. Yeah, man. Them bird are ready for pick out your eye now. So last month I planted out this grape, and now you can see it has beautiful leaf coming out. And it's actually called table grape. Yeah, man. Crimson seedless. So it's beautiful to see and beautiful to have. Yeah, man. And I have the chayote, otherwise chocho. Survived straight through the winter and coming back up, which is beautiful. So the other day I sold some taro leaves to this islander. You know, think she's from Tonga or one of those islands. So you can see these vines. So I sold some leaves. Yeah, man. So it's really interesting to know that a lot of people, they don't just buy the taro, the food itself, but also the leaves as well. A lot of the islanders, they use the leaves for cooking. So that is really interesting and really good to know. And I have it available. This right here is my cassava springing back up. You can see right there. Beautiful. Yeah, man, so everything is coming back to life right now. Everything coming back to life. It's a beautiful thing. All of these you're looking at, these are sorrel, which I'll be planting out soon as they push out some mature leaves. Yeah, man, so can't wait again. More sorrel in the garden. So I have a new plant to add to the garden today, and this is what you call an acerola cherry or Barbados cherry. And also you can find this in Jamaica as a local cherry. You know, it's something that I grew up on in Jamaica, so it's good to know that I could find it here in a local nursery. And I'm about to plant it here and, you know, enjoy some good old acerola cherry. Let's go now. All right. We're gonna plant it right here. This space in the backyard is gonna be full of fruits. At this nursery, there was even star apple, there was even plum, so many other tropical fruits could find. It's amazing, you know. Can be in a foreign country and still find a lot of things that I'm accustomed to. Wow, look at that. Ready to go straight in the ground. No, mama, no. Little girl here, have to watch her. And here I have my chicken come to visit.
This is your favorite spoon. Hey, have a boy. Come on. Yummy. Hey.
All right. And that's my cherry tree in the ground. Yes, man. And today is the 23rd of September, 2025. So we look forward to when it starts bearing. Beautiful. So it's now time to harvest these broccoli, which I'm excited about. Yes, man. And you can see these are coming right behind. These are all broccoli as well, so that's the good part. So this is the harvest. Cauliflower. 4 of them. Beautiful. Yeah, man. I'm impressed. Utilizing what we have.